Unknown and private calls can be stopped directly inside Samsung phone, and you can also block one exact number without saving it as a contact. Open the phone app. From the keypad, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap Settings. I will show both controls and restore the phone's original empty block list at the end. On the call settings screen, tap Block Numbers. The top switch handles callers' Android labels as unknown or unspecified. Below it, the Add Phone Number field creates a list for exact numbers. This phone starts with the unknown call switch off and no blocked numbers, so every change in this tutorial is easy to verify. Turn on block calls from unknown numbers. The switch changes color to confirm it is active. On Samsung phones, this is the control for unknown, hidden, or unspecified callers. It is separate from blocking an exact number, and Samsung also describes it as blocking unknown numbers that are not saved in your contacts. To block one specific caller, tap Add Phone Number. I am entering the fictional example number 202-555-0100. Tap the plus sign. The keyboard closes, and the number appears in the blocked list. Calls and messages from a number in this list will no longer be received on the phone. To check blocked numbers later, return to this same blocked numbers page. Every manually blocked number appears below the Recents and Contacts buttons. To unblock one, tap the minus icon beside it. The number disappears immediately, and no blocked numbers confirms that the manual list is empty again. Now decide whether you want the separate unknown number filter left on. Turning it off allows unknown calls again. Turning it on blocks them. I am switching it off to restore this test phone's original setting. The full path is Phone, 3 dots, Settings, Block Numbers. Use the top switch for unknown or private callers. Use the field for an exact number, and use the minus icon to unblock it. Those controls do different jobs, so check both when unwanted calls are getting through.